Deciding where to sell online, Amazon and eBay are the giants, but they work completely differently. Choosing wrong could cost you thousands in fees or missed sales. I've analyzed both platforms in 2025, so smash that subscribe button and let's figure out which one actually makes you more money. Amazon dominates with 310 million active users and operates like a product marketplace. Multiple sellers compete on one listing for the buy box. It's built for scale, with Fulfillment by Amazon handling your storage, shipping, and customer service. eBay has 134 million buyers and works as a seller marketplace. Each seller creates their own unique listing. You control everything from photos to pricing with total flexibility, but also total responsibility for fulfillment. Fees, the real cost. Amazon charges 8-15% referral fees plus $39.99 monthly for professional sellers. Add FBA fees for storage and fulfillment, and you're looking at roughly 35% total costs per sale. eBay's cheaper. 12.9% final value fee, 250 free listings monthly, and no mandatory subscriptions. Total costs typically run 15-20%. If you're price sensitive or selling high-ticket items, eBay saves serious money. Fulfillment, your biggest decision. Amazon FBA is the game changer. Send inventory to their warehouses, they handle everything: packing, shipping, returns, customer service. Your products become Prime eligible, which massively boosts sales. But you pay premium fees and lose inventory control. eBay, you ship everything yourself. No fulfillment service like FBA. More work, more control, lower costs. Perfect if you're selling unique items where fast shipping isn't the main selling point. Traffic and sales volume. Amazon wins on pure numbers. With 37.6% of US online retail, sellers report 20-40% sales increases using FBA. The Prime ecosystem drives serious volume, but competition is brutal. You're fighting dozens of sellers on the same product page. eBay generates lower total volume but higher margins per sale. Less competition means you can charge premium prices, especially for used, vintage, or collectible items. Better for niche products where uniqueness matters. Control and branding. Amazon owns the customer relationship. You can't customize packaging, add brand inserts, or build direct customer loyalty. It's about moving volume fast. eBay gives you complete control. Custom listings, your own photos, direct buyer communication, auction or fixed pricing. You're building your seller reputation, which leads to repeat buyers and premium pricing power. Who wins where? Amazon crushes it for new, branded products sold in volume. Private label sellers, wholesale distributors, anyone moving standardized goods at scale. If you've got capital and want fast growth, Amazon's your platform. eBay dominates for unique inventory, vintage clothing, collectibles, refurbished electronics, handmade items, anything one of a kind. Also better for beginners testing products without huge upfront investment. The truth, Amazon generates more total sales but eats your margins. eBay offers higher profit per sale with lower fees but requires more hustle. Many successful sellers use both high-volume items on Amazon, specialty goods on eBay. Choose based on your product type and how much control you want. Want to maximize profits? Links to detailed fee calculators for both platforms are in the description. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more seller strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.